When you need to make updates to your accounting data, it is a simple process to import just the changes. First, you must create a file for importing that contains the necessary changes. One way is to use the export process, and for the data you want to update, create a template. This template only requires a minimal number of fields to select: the key field that identifies the record, optional descriptive fields such as a name to make identifying edited records easier, and the fields you want to update that will have varying values. From this template, click Export to create the file with everything or just a range of records as desired. If you wish to generate the file only with records that meet particular criteria, this is possible in a few different ways. From the field, press F6 to access the Smart Finder. Assign columns to the grid as required, define the test to determine if the record will be selected, generate the search list, and click the Excel Direct button to recreate the grid as an Excel sheet. Similarly, you could create a filter that selects the desired records and even pre-sorts them for ease of editing. Then select the filter and use Excel Direct to create the Excel file. Or use Grid View, which can assist in updating numeric values by having calculated columns do some of the recalculations for you before the data is exported to an Excel file. However the file is created, you then need to edit the file to make the required changes. In Excel, using copy and paste or find and replace can make the edit job faster and more efficient. Delete rows for records which you don't want to change. Finally, the file changes must be merged into your records. For the data you updated externally, use the import process to design a template that matches your file. Select your file here and ensure that the Overwrite Records option is enabled and Add New Records is not, so that your changes will be imported successfully. On the Field Selection tab, you only require the key field and those fields with changed values to be selected. Use a filler to skip the names, descriptions, or other columns that should not be re-imported. And if there is a field you want to change in the same way for all records, from the Field Defaults tab, select the field and enter the default value desired. This is especially useful when an upgrade has a new feature you wish to assign to all imported records. Save your template, and when you are ready, click the Import button to make the record updates. Now the changes are complete and the new values can be seen. Make data updates quickly by importing the changes. For more information about Adagio Accounting, use these on-screen links or from the video description. Thanks for watching.